The Apple Watch Ultra 2 redefines durability, fitness tracking, and connectivity in smartwatches. In this video, we'll explore its standout features, real-world performance, and whether it's worth the premium price. Plus, a surprising detail about budget-friendly alternatives might change your perspective. Stick around till the end for one game-changing secret. Design and build quality. Apple Watch Ultra 2's design combines sleek aesthetics with an ultra-durable titanium body. The flat display is not only visually striking, but also tough enough to endure extreme environments. Plus, the case is water-resistant and scratch-resistant, perfect for outdoor adventures. But here's where it gets interesting. The design is just the beginning. There's a whole new level of fitness features that will blow your mind coming up next. Fitness and health features. With its advanced health sensors, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 can track your heart rate, oxygen levels, and even detect falls. Whether you're into intense workouts or hiking, this watch provides all the data you need to stay on top of your health. But wait, there's something hidden here that could change the way you track your health. Keep watching to find out the secret feature that you might not know about yet. Battery life. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 promises up to 36 hours of battery life on a single charge, making it the perfect companion for long outdoor expeditions or day-long workouts. It's built to last longer, so you're never left without power when you need it most. But there's more to it than just battery life. There's a twist to how the Ultra 2's battery might actually be a game changer. Stay tuned for more. GPS accuracy. Equipped with dual-frequency GPS, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 offers precise location tracking, especially useful for hikers, adventurers, and outdoor athletes. Whether you're navigating mountains or cycling through forests, you'll never lose your way. But here's where it gets wild. The accuracy goes beyond just GPS. There's something else that'll completely elevate your outdoor experience. Find out more as we dive deeper. Key problems. As great as the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is, it's not without its flaws. Some users have reported issues with connectivity in remote areas, and the slightly bulky design may not be comfortable for everyone. But hold on. There's one crucial problem that no one's talking about yet, and it could affect you more than you think. Keep watching for the inside scoop. That wraps up our deep dive into the Apple Watch Ultra 2, its strengths, its quirks, and whether it's the right choice for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with more insightful tech reviews. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your feedback means a lot. See you in the next video.